Welcome back, class. By now you've had a chance to learn a lot about stop motion animation. You've learned about the history and the aesthetics and have even participated in a criticism exercise on stop motion animation. Now it's time to take all of your newfound knowledge and put it to use in the creation of your very own stop motion animation. First, we'll start by taking a look at how to prepare your animation by creating a storyboard. You can download and print the template I provided you with on the web page, and it looks like this. You'll have an area for your name, your project title, and there's also an area for the materials and objects used. And the circles provided, you'll want to list it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Now, a storyboard is a sequence of sketches used to depict the significant changes of action or scenes in the planning of a film. Let's take a look at the one I created for the opening of the welcome video. And here it is. First, I had to come up with an idea for the story I wanted to tell. Once I figured that out, I decided on the materials or objects that I wanted to use. And each one of the spaces provided on the storyboard template, I numbered and sketched out my plan in sequence. Let's take a closer look to this.
The scene opens with the sun rising in the background and a windmill turning. You can see in my image I've included arrows to show the motions of the images. Ned walks out from behind the windmill and sips his coffee. He turns to the sun. Once again, I have the arrows pointing to the sun. As Ned watches the sun, glasses appear, drawn on with a pen on the sun. It smiles and it develops sun rays. Ned turns back around and looks to his right. Bart skates by. Ned follows him with his head and then looks back the other way. Yoshi appears, scares Ned. Ned drops his cup and runs behind the windmill with Yoshi following him. Bart skates back onto the scene towards the cup, gets off of his board, picks up the cup, and takes a sip. A hand enters from the left, Bart's left, and grabs Bart. The hand exits with it in his palm.
Great! Now it's your turn. Go ahead and print out the storyboard template provided. You may need to print out more than one sheet depending on the length of actions or scenes that you want to show in your stop motion film. Now remember, when someone else looks at your storyboard, they should be able to tell what is happening in the story and how it will happen. Going ahead and planning a storyboard will help you know exactly how to move or manipulate your materials when you are taking your pictures later. So have fun brainstorming, and I can't wait to see your planned out ideas.